Hello, 614 Startups Nation. This is Elio Harmon, founder and host of the 614 Startups podcast. I just had to interrupt your regularly scheduled program to talk about an awesome conversation that I had yesterday with Bill Balderaz and the team over at Futurety. Now, as a startup, one of the key things you have to get a true understanding of, one is the problem that you're attempting to solve, but two, you really have to understand your target audience. Now, I'm more of a creative, right? I'm not a technical person. I don't really understand data. I'm really a big picture guy. And so I wanted to really sit down with somebody who understood the data side of things to shine some light on how I could begin to really understand the needs of my audience. And quite frankly, I was blown away. Bill took me through the process at Futurety of really using data, how they gather data, how they, really take a company through the understanding their audience or understanding their target consumer, understanding their clients, and then really using that data and then automating the ways in which your message is shared with your audience, and then using whatever platforms are most effective to communicate that message to your target audience. And so if you're a startup, even if you're just really just getting your business off the ground, or even if you're more established, where your market is a large market, where you really can't have, let's say, one salesperson making phone calls and you're going to be able to close deals. When you're going B2C, tens of thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people, you can really use a lot of data analytics tools to understand those markets, what their interests are, how they engage with your content, on what platforms they engage, what times they engage. It was absolutely fascinating. And so I encourage you, if you're a startup, you're growing, and you want to talk to somebody in the startup community who really understands how data and sales and marketing work together, then I recommend highly that you speak with Bill Balderaz and the team at Futurety. As usual, guys, I appreciate you spending these couple minutes with me. I know that your time is precious, and I really appreciate it. If you don't already know who we are, check out our website, www.614startups.com. Our current media that we're producing is the podcast. It's on the website. It's also on iTunes and Google Play, so you can download it. You can listen to it while you're working out, whatever the case may be. You can listen to it at your convenience. Connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. We also have a Medium blog that we're in the process of developing on Instagram as well. We want to build a community around this content where we're bringing you things of value, things that are actionable, things that are practical, but also things that might be entertaining, things that you could learn from, people that you could be introduced to that you otherwise wouldn't know. Again, thank you for connecting with me. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.